I am super stoked. Headed out to Maui today. Going to be an awesome trip. We're going to go to Coconuts and we're going to get the best fish tacos in the world. Swear to it. We're going to go to the Kihei Cafe, get the Banana Macadamia Nut Pancakes. Yes. And we're going to go fly the drone around the beach. It's going to be awesome. And on top of that, I'm going to take the C8 down to Seattle because it's not raining. Let's go.
Folks from the flight deck, welcome aboard Alaska 825, headed out to Maui. My name's Eric, I'm your captain. Jamie's your first officer. 4 awesome flight attendants. Make it 3 awesome flight attendants. One of them's kind of sketchy. I'll let you figure that out on our 5-hour and 19-minute flight out to Maui. It's going to be bumpy. There's going to be some periods where it's bumpy. There's going to be some periods when it smooths out, but it's not going to be all that awesome of a ride out there. But we'll get you out to Maui safely. Weather out there, it's a nice day, low 80s. Welcome aboard. I have no idea what the weather was.
Well, good morning. The opposite of what happens on the East Coast happens on Hawaii layovers out here when you're up super early because it's 2 hours behind Seattle time zone. So it's early. The sun's coming up. I'm going to head out to the beach and see if I can get some drone footage of the sunrise as it comes up over Mount Haleakala. Let's go check out Maui. All right, one thing about the airlines and the layover life is everybody spreads the word about the good restaurants, the good bars, where to go, the inside scoop. And one of those places is the Kihei Cafe here in Maui, in Kihei. I discovered this, well, I didn't discover it, but somebody told me about it, I don't know, 7 or 8 years ago, and I've been coming here every single layover I get the chance to. It is amazing. They're super friendly here. It's an awesome environment, and I get the same thing every single time. It's the 2-2-2 combo. It's 2 pancakes, 2 eggs, and bacon. And it's not just any regular pancake, it's the Banana Macadamia Nut Pancake, and they are amazing. And this is kind of new. We stay at the Maui coast, and the Kii Cafe just bought a restaurant front in this hotel. So now there's 2 Kihei Cafes. If you've been to Maui before and you know the old location, that's only a half mile down the road, and there's always a line like out and around the block. It takes forever to get a table. We'll come down here to the Maui coast. It's the same exact food, kind of a more modern restaurant, if you will. But anyway, Kihei Cafe, you gotta do it. I am not kidding when I say I'm going to take you all to the best fish tacos in the world. And I'm not even kidding. I get fish tacos everywhere I go. I've had them in Jordan, Dubai, I don't know, the UK, Scotland. I've had the codfish tacos. Up in Alaska, halibut fish tacos, rockfish tacos. And my favorite fish tacos of all time are the tacos out here on Maui at a place called Coconut. So I'm going to take you down there and show you the best fish tacos in the world. All right, what makes your fish tacos so good?
So these have 17 ingredients, and there's 7 layers of flavor and texture.
Okay.
The best way you eat them to get all of those flavors is with your hands in your mouth.
They're messy. They're super messy. And what kind of fish is in it?
It's a blend of ono and mahi-mahi.
Oh, awesome. Thank you. Can't wait to try it. 24 hours in Maui is up. Time to head back to Seattle. It's 30 degrees colder there, but let's go.
On the flight deck, we'd like to add our welcome aboard as well. My name's Eric, I'm your captain. Jamie's your first officer. He's going to fly us all up to Seattle tonight. 4 awesome flight attendants in the back cabin with you for our flight up to Seattle. 5 hours and 6 minutes of flight time, 34,000 feet. It's going to be mostly smooth. There's going to be some periodic bumps here and there. 2,400 miles, so we're flying about a bump or two out there. Weather up in Seattle's cloudy, skies pretty decent. Low 40s. Welcome aboard.